Hello YouTube, bit of a different video today. On the bench today we just have some microphone refurbishment from an old realistic TRC-451. Now I've already done a bit of work on this and as you can see we're ready. We've got our coffee here, we've got all of our polishing equipment here, thinners and other polish, and also we've been using the gradient modelling sandpaper bars, blocks, and then also our paints. So we're just laid out ready for the tasks ahead. So this microphone was in really bad shape, as they are over time, just to be expected. Now the positive thing about this particular microphone, the realistic, they use a virgin plastic during the manufacturing stage, so it's very or comes out from the molds very shiny. Our family was in the supply of plastic raw materials when I was a youth, and my dad always told me the quickest way you can tell from recycled material being used in ABS and new is that the new always turns out really shiny, and the used product that's being recycled turns out dull, and that's why they put a raised surface, or they design the mold so that they have some detail to them, but always good. So what we've got here is plenty of material on the mic to sand out all of the marks, the scratches, and all of that sort of thing. I haven't done a lot on the back, but I've done just a quick sand. So we've got this up to 1200 grade, and then we've sanded. Then we've started polishing, just as I've done previous videos of with Auto Sol. The next stage is to use purple, but that's at the final. All right. So where are we at? Well, a couple of days ago, I laid down I masked this whole area up and laid down gloss white paint into the realistic logo. And today what we're going to do is install the gloss black in between all of the raised lettering. And for that we're using a very small modeler's brush. I believe it's probably about 1.5 mil. And what I do is I cut the tips sharp. And we're going to do this obviously under the magnifying glass. All right, so we'll start the ball rolling. I'll turn it on and away we go. All right, cotton buds are always a great resource whenever doing modelling work. And what I do is I cut the ends off in this particular instance, because I've got something to hold on to, big fingers, and that allows me to stir the paint. So always give it a good stirring. I know a lot of radio people are good at stirring, so go for it. All right, so this is in real time. Let's try and do this. All right, so what we're going to do is just get as much as we can in the gaps. All right, and that's pretty much it. And then what we're going to do is we're going to wipe off the top and disclose the white. All right, using a bit of blotting paper. It's as simple as doing that. Can we do it backwards? I'll do it down. And we'll just do a quick tidy up around the edge. And there you go. What do you think? We now have a factory looking a microphone again. And now what we'll do is when that's dry, we'll just do a quick surface clean and that will come up brilliant white. All right. Thank you very much.